easy recipe today. I'm so excited to be showing you guys how to make this strawberry pie, and it's so unique because it also has a strawberry flavored crust. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe down below so you won't miss out my quick and easy recipes, which always have a unique twist to them, like this one right here. Let's get started. I'm starting off with the crust. I'm adding 2 cups of flour to the bowl along with a half a cup of shortening, or you could also substitute with oil. 3 tablespoons of water went in, and I have these freeze-dried strawberries, which I'm going to crush up into small pieces. This is all going to get mixed together to form the dough for the crust. You could also do this in your food processor if you like. If the dough needs more moisture, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water at a time just until it becomes somewhat crumbly and holds together. Once everything is nicely incorporated, add this straight into your pie pan and press along the edges until the dough covers the whole pan. This is the perfect pie dough. It's very light and flaky and has the most uniquely tart taste of strawberries. Once it's finished, bake this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes until golden brown. While that's baking, I'm going to start my glaze for the pie. This is a pound of strawberries. You could use fresh or frozen, and I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of sugar. This is going to come up to a simmer, and once the strawberries are slightly softened, I'm going to smash them together until they form somewhat of a jam texture. Remove your strawberries from the heat and add 2 teaspoons of gelatin powder and mix this in until it's fully incorporated. Then goes in a teaspoon of vanilla and a squeeze of a half a lemon. This is also the same recipe for strawberry marmalade. It makes the perfect spread for toast. Don't forget that all the recipes are listed down below in the description box. Once your crust is out of the oven and it's fully cooled, I'm going to be filling it with about 2 pounds of fresh strawberries and pouring all of that sweet, tart, and tangy glaze all over the top. This is going to go into the refrigerator for about an hour until it firms up a bit. This is what it looks like when it's done. There is nothing more amazing than biting into that fresh, juicy strawberry in every bite, along with a bite of that crispy strawberry crust. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave your comment down below what you thought about it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for another quick and easy recipe.